In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit theme colors in the Shopify Sense theme. We'll walk through this step by step so you can confidently update your store's look without breaking anything. By the end, you'll know how to tweak existing color presets and even create your own custom color schemes inside the Sense theme. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the section called Online Store. Go ahead and click that. This will open the themes page where you'll see your current live theme at the top, and below that, your theme library. In your theme library, locate the Sense theme. On the right side of that theme, you'll see an option to edit it. Click the Edit Theme button. This will open the theme editor where you can preview your store on the right and adjust settings on the left. Now, look at the leftmost sidebar in the theme editor. At the bottom of that panel, you should see an option called Theme Settings, usually represented by a small gear icon. Click on Theme Settings. This is where you control global settings like typography and colors. Inside Theme Settings, click on Colors to expand that section. Here you'll see the preset color schemes that come with the Sense theme. These presets control things like background colors, text, buttons, and accents across your store. If you want to edit just some of the colors within an existing preset, first select the color scheme you want to update. Once selected, you'll see a list of color roles, such as background, headings, buttons, and so on. Each of these will have a small color swatch on the right side. To change a specific color, click directly on its color swatch. This opens a color picker where you can drag the cursor to choose a shade or manually enter a color code if you already have brand colors defined. Take your time here and try to keep your choices consistent with your brand identity so your store looks polished and cohesive. If you'd rather create a brand new color scheme instead of editing an existing one, click the back icon at the top left of the colors panel to go up one level. Then look for the option that says Add Scheme under Colors. Click Add Scheme and you'll be able to define each color from scratch. Set your background, text, buttons, and accent colors according to your branding. This is useful if you want to keep the original presets intact while building something custom. When you're happy with your changes, don't forget to save them. Look to the top right corner of the theme editor and click the Save button. Give Shopify a moment to apply those changes and then preview your store to make sure everything looks the way you expect. That's all you need to edit and customize your color schemes in the Shopify Sense theme.